The first votes in the 2020 presidential election will be cast in 6 weeks as absentee ballots are mailed in some states. And today, President Trump acknowledged voters will judge him on his leadership in the handling of the pandemic. That may explain why the president changed his tone today. After months of insisting that COVID-19 was in retreat, he said it will get worse before it gets better. CBS's Weijia Jiang is at the White House tonight. And Weijia, this is a change for the president.
Nora, President Trump was certainly less combative as he stuck to the script and on message after some advisors implored him to show more leadership in combating COVID-19. The president admitted there would be tougher days ahead, but still insisted the virus will one day disappear. President Trump acknowledged tonight that the coronavirus is spreading and proving difficult to control.
It will probably, unfortunately, get worse before it gets better.
And unlike during the early months of the pandemic, the president asked Americans to take mitigation measures seriously.
We're instead asking Americans to use masks, socially distance, and employ vigorous hygiene.
It was a one-man show without a single doctor by his side.
I was not invited up to this point. I'm assuming that I'm not going to be there.
The president continues to receive criticism for offering mixed messages about what the task force is now pushing.
Remedy that pretty quickly, right?
Face covering. But just hours after Mr. Trump tweeted a picture of himself wearing a mask, calling it patriotic, he attended a fundraiser at his hotel in Washington without one and without social distancing. The White House press secretary was asked why not.
The president is the most tested man in America. He's tested more than anyone, multiple times a day.
Though the president contradicted her.
I don't know of any time I've taken 2 tests in one day.
Presumptive Democratic nominee Joe Biden wants to make testing widely available and free for everyone as part of the pandemic response plan he just released while taking a shot at the president.
You know, he's quit on you, and he's quit on this country. But this election is not just about him. Biden
cited press reports that President Trump doesn't want to be distracted by the pandemic.
Doesn't want to be distracted by it. His own staff admits that Donald Trump fails the most important test of being an American president, the duty to care for you, for all of us.
Tonight, President Trump is acknowledging that test results are taking too long to come back and said he would consider assigning more money to national testing if advisors expressed a need. But senior administration officials tell CBS News the White House does not think it will be necessary. Nora?
Weijia Jiang tonight. Thank you.